What's up, everybody? This your boy Jacques, and here's another episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. Now, in these series of videos, I like to go around Florida and show you some gems and show you what Florida has to offer. So let's get started. So today, I'm going to be showing you a beautiful home in Lighthouse Point, Florida, which is just off the South Grand Canal, which has over 4,700 square feet. And it's a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath. Now, stick around for the whole video, because at the end, I'll show you a little teaser of next week's video where I'm going to show you another $1 million home that's right down the street from it. So let's go inside. Now, as soon as you walk in, there's a large welcoming foyer. There's a gourmet kitchen, a wet bar, and a beautiful, beautiful indoor living room fireplace. Now, before we get to all that, let's go inside to the game room / movie room. Now, this is my favorite part of the home. If it was up to me, I'll sit here all day and watch sports. Now, going back to the front, for those 3 or 4 days that it gets really cold out here in Florida, which is around 65 degrees, you're going to see that living room fireplace. Now, this living room area is enormous. As you can see, it has so much room. If we head to the kitchen, you're going to see the granite top, of course the stainless steel appliances, and also one of my favorite products out there, an air fryer. Now, I don't know about you, but I cook everything on my air fryer. I'm an affiliate with Amazon, so make sure you guys grab one. Click on the link below and get yourself one as well. Now, before we go outside to see that beautiful canal and the pool, let's go upstairs and take the elevator. Yeah, you heard me right, the elevator. Alright guys, it's my first time doing this. I hope I don't get stuck. See you upstairs. Now, the elevator, to me, is one of my favorite parts of the home. It makes everything so fast and convenient, and also it makes bringing furniture up and downstairs a breeze. Now that we're upstairs, here's the laundry room, and right adjacent to it are the stairs. So if you don't want to take the elevator, which I don't know why you wouldn't, you can just walk down the stairs if you're in a rush. Now here's the beautiful den area with the pool table. So now let me walk you guys to the outside 2nd floor patio. Now here gives you a beautiful view of the South Grand Canal. If you have a boat, yacht, or jet ski, you can park it out here. It's beautiful. The whole time I was filming this video, boats were passing by, people were waving at us and having fun. Also, while I'm out here, I might as well take some selfies with the drone. I'm gonna wait for it to come down and take some selfies right here. As you can see, the rooms are huge and have spacious closets. The master bedroom is enormous and it makes for a wonderful private retreat. Now, the master bedroom has a combination tub and shower, dual sinks, and a separate tub and shower as well. Now, heading to the back area, I just want to mention that this home is $2,225,000. Wow. Also here you'll see the wet bar, the pool, and a beautiful backyard. Also, I want to mention how peaceful and calm the backyard was, even with the boats going back and forth. Also, fun fact of the day, did you know on average, boat docks can increase your property value by $14,000 to $20,000? Man, I had a blast shooting this video for this home. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure that notification bell is on. While you guys do that, I'm going to walk you guys to next week's video, which is for $1,700,000, and it's right down the street.
Don't you know?